Hello guys. This is me, Timothy, and I messed up. Need to do this, guys. And my other video of this deleted. It's just gone. I cannot understand why I didn't have like those. Maybe I talk so much and have some like deleting stuff. After this, we're done. The video is done. Please leave a like and comment below how to have like this point. How to have like this update. That's so close. If I delete that, the part, if I delete this, I'm gonna restart again. So that is the new updates. This is it. I think little laggy for you in here. Now I need to do something YouTube like that. I'm gonna make videos of redstone machine. Now this is going to be done in like 3 minutes, or I don't know. Remember to leave a like. Remember to leave a like. Not like some other people say, okay, don't like this video and you're not gonna be don't watch my video if you're not gonna like it. Like that they are saying on the YouTube, but I just like it because if I just okay, bye. Bye.